Hello ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you how pollen can make us sneeze and wheeze. So pollen enters the body through the eye, the nose, and the lungs. And once it enters through the eye, the nose, and the lungs, it sensitizes our immune system. And once our immune system gets sensitized, specific antibodies are produced to the pollen that has entered our body. And once these specific antibodies are produced, they attach themselves to mast cells, and mast cells are found in body tissue. And I know you are wondering, what on blue earth is a mast cell? So a mast cell, also known as a mastocyte or a lymphocyte, it's a type of white blood cell. Specifically, it is a type of granulocyte derived from the myeloid stem cell, which is a part of the immune and the neuroimmune systems. And also contains many granules rich in histamine and heparin. So once these mast cells, once these specific antibodies and the pollen attach themselves to the mast cell, which are found in body tissue, the mast cells are then release the histamine and other chemicals, which results in allergic reaction. Such as the runny nose, eyes, throat itching, nose congestion, sinus congestion, and asthma. So these are just a little bit process of how pollen can make us sneeze. Thank you for watching.